Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about Ethereum, and yes, we dump it and grab that liquidity what we talked about in the last video about Ethereum. So let's dive in. All right, guys, everything good for Ethereum because why good? Because the faster we dump, the faster we bounce, right? So the market can't go up forever or down forever. So anyway, guys, it's a market. It's just a basic structure, nothing special happening. I already posted today a video about BTC and how I recommend you go and watch, so it will be useful, I guess, for you. Interesting moment, and that video was about the CEO of CryptoQuant who talked about now we're in the bear market. Next 6 and 12 months, we will be in a bear market or in the sideways. So based on that logic, all this downtrend on Ethereum BTC trading pair since September 2022, we've been in a bull run, right? Looks logical. And now this guy called, yes, we are in the bear market. So logically, we have to sell and out, right? Nice one. All right. So also he posts a lot of stuff about to the moon, right? So we go and we just at the beginning, blah, 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 all this stuff. But since the December 2024, we dump it 57% on Ethereum. And now, of course, only now we are joining to the bear market, right? So now you recommend us to sell and out of crypto, right? For me, guys, all of this farming engagement posts, it's just random, absolute random. It's just really for engagement. And for me, it's kind of weird how that guys like became so popular, because maybe they show people what they want to hear, right? I have no idea. So right, guys, logically, let's go back to the targets. So this is the main support 27 blocks. This is a FIB, the main one on the beat stump, what we use it for analysis. And I mark the best guys scenario for Ethereum if we will drop to test zero level. 1K702. We stopped it at 1K754 last week. So I wish to see one more drop to test this level. Can we drop to 1K132 and 847? Of course we can, guys. Everything possible in crypto. Why exactly this level? Because it's a global accumulation zone. Is it possible to see this like a global double bottom? Yes, of course. My take for Ethereum is around 6K825, 9K991, and 8. So this is my take. I don't think so. We will go over than 10K. If we will, I will be happy, right? I'm not investing now in Ethereum. I'm not investing in Sol. So I'm waiting just at the bounce. So Ethereum BTC trading pair, guys. So we grab the liquidity. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. Imagine we come back and landed and grab a liquidity of December 2020. So imagine, can we drop lower to the low of September 18 and the January-March 2020 COVID dump? Of course, it's possible, guys. We just work with possibilities, right? So this is basically the next liquidity pool. Should we drop so low? I don't think so. But of course we can. Of course we can. Of course, now a lot of people draw the trend lines like this one. So here's it was like a fancy trend line. Bam. So we dump it. All right. So now the people definitely redraw the trend line and leave it like this one. 100%. And other people will draw the trend line like this one. Yes, definitely it's a support until it breaks. So guys, about trend lines, I already posted a video. For me, it's just local triggers where we can stop. But it's not necessary. So if we got like in theory the trend line, we should stop at this level. Globally also, guys, for Ethereum BTC, we grab a liquidity. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course we can. We can drop even to 0.02, this one, and bounce. Anyway, guys, sooner or later, when you'll see some order flow like this one, we can't go down like this one 3 years without a bounce. So my take is based on intuition, not an intuition, no. Based on take profit indicator here, my take is we will bounce to 6 cents, 0.0637. Take profit, exit line 0.071. So weekly time frame, sooner or later, just a matter of time. We under now monthly fair value Ethereum BTC trading pair. We test and drop it on the fair value on the weekly time frame. This is a monthly open, yearly open. Got it? So this is like a targets. And here we tested the buy line on the daily time frame, take profit. Now we hold the line at the weekly open here. We grab that liquidity, and now try and consolidate here. The shakeout is going to be the round number like 0.02, 0.13. And anyway, we'll bounce to the monthly open and the yearly open. So this is it, guys. Of course, it would be good to see the consolidation and reverse move from these current prices for Ethereum BTC. So the money will inflow from the BTC into Ethereum. So it's going to be the good one for altcoins. For Ethereum BTC, Ethereum USDT, Ethereum USD, this is a conservative price targets, like 78, 86 level by FIB, right? I wish to see the test of 1K702 and V-shape recover move in April, May to this one, to the monthly. This one, 2K233 and yearly open. Yearly open, 3K339. Capitulation is here. 18 level by 27 level. So it's pretty good one. Daily time frame, yes, we try consolidate at weekly time frame, but like I always showed you, I wish to see that type of three rise pattern, reversal and going higher to yearly open. So I wish to see this move. Take a look now with indicator SAR, what's going on locally. Let's check on the weekly, this one. So this capitulation, guys, take a look. Capitulation, last time we tracked it December 2022. So you could track everything on history. So that time the price was like 1K181, now 1K900, the same capitulation since end of February. Crazy accumulation zone here on ADZ. The last time it was in red mode here, May 2022 till June 2022, this time period. So yes, I wish to see that drop one more time and bounce. No signal for accumulation. This was a time to out of Ethereum now. No signal for accumulation daily, locally. I wish to see the divergency. Here's a drop, 2K83. We form already the divergency, already formed a divergency on a daily. That's why I wish to see that drop again. And after that, recover move. And the deeper divergency, already we got like a signal for accumulation. So they will step-by-step accumulate. And of course, the market's more in the capitulation zone. So for me, there's more bullish signal than bearish. Of course, today, with the Fed rate decision, I wish to see, firstly, we can see something like this one. If we'll see before the bounce, it means most likely we will drop after. So we get it like this week and the next one, March. So I wish to see the March like this one close by body candle over than 2K March and climb it up to the yearly open April, May. After that, some consolidation summer, autumn 2025, new all-time high for Ethereum. Money power, take a look. This is money inflow. So here, RSI bullish divergence. So daily, it's bullish. Weekly, especially bullish. So the last time money inflow into Ethereum was in August 23, 3 weeks here at, it was like 1K500. Now the same story, 2 weeks. Pretty good one. So I don't know how now we are just joining to the bear market. So at 4K, almost at the top, it's a bull run, right? So we have to people lead the followers invest in Ethereum at now at 1K900. They talk about we're on bear market. Genius, just a genius. Sell, buy back, no signal to buy. No signal to buy, no signal to buy back. So just be careful. So once again, logically, it was signal to buy, bounce. That weren't still on ADZ. I wish to see this move and going higher. Capitulation, of course, is here. So all levels, guys, are the same. But I remind you, I'm not investing now in Ethereum. Take profit, guys. We try hold the line around the buy line. So for the value of the Ethereum, it's 1K444. This one, 12 time frame. This is what I wish to see. We already bounce at a buy line 2 times. So this third time is going to be the best one, 1K620. From a value, 1K200. Weekly time frame, we tested a buy line. So yes, I wish to see, of course, the 50% of this range test, and after that bounce. It's like kind of V-shape recovery move. So that's it, guys. I'm just wait and add alert once again. So we're gonna track it. Buy line on the monthly, of course, it's around 1K. But imagine if we will drop to 1K, of course, it's gonna be the buy line. But I don't know what's the point. Imagine now drop Ethereum to 1K and everybody gonna fill their bags. We will test the 27 block again. We will close the 50% of the monthly open, and everybody gonna be rich to new all-time high. So easy to fill their bags at 1K 200 and go into 6K, for example, in the next year. For me, it sounds so easy. That's why I wish to see this drop, bounce, and the first correction going to be monthly open, 2K 200, and a yearly open. So guys, all targets I showed you. Write us in comment what you think about Ethereum now. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Subscribe, change his like button, his notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.